William Jones. Yeah.
William Jones? Okay. Which case you need, Yes, he said, William Jones. All right, thank you. William Jones, come forward, please. All right, thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Okay. All right. So on this case, the last time we were here, there was an issue because there wasn't any criminal history in the file.
That's correct, Your Honor.
So where are we?
Judge, that issue has been resolved. Discovery is complete, I believe, and we received an offer today. So we just like to be set to consider the offer.
All right, how old are you?
I'm 50.
All right. So we're going to recall this back. We'll recall it back for May 21st.
Judge, I may be out May 21st. I've got a medical procedure on the 20th.
Okay, so we will call you back then.
The 27th.
We can recall him back on May 14th.
Then I'd rather do the 21st.
Well, no, I don't want to interfere with your medical appointments. The latest then I'll recall it back is on May 16th. I mean, that's enough time. It's not as though he's a teenager.
No, it's not that, Judge. It's my schedule. It's the issue.
Okay. All right. So you have available the 13th, the 14th, or the 16th.
We'll do the 16th, Judge.
All right. So we'll come back on May 16th, and that's your plea deadline date. Could I have a reset form, please? Thank you. Once he signs it and turns it in, then you're excused.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
One is saying honest, but it's also, it's already passed. No, oh, it's coming up.
Yes.
No, it's passed. Isn't it?
Let me see, what date did they put? Oh, yes.
Either wet or dead.
There you go. And it's John Winters. Okay.
Yeah. And it was just it's a family violence, and the only thing I had, he's a junior,
Mhm.
and the victim the third, so it must be his son, and I guess it must be a daughter, so it could be his son.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't know.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, Judge.
All right. Thank you. Have a good one. All right. There's that. All right. So Villarreal, I guess, is the last person we have.
We're doing plea.
Okay. All right. Thank you. All right. And could I see the The VR report on Jerry's Deep, he's on the recall last page. Bear with me, Judge, my computer's still setting this. Oh, no problem. Yes, the violation report on, yes, deeps. And then also, on this one, I'll need a B page.
A few page?
Wait, let me make sure that's the one. No, I'm sorry, that's not the one. That's not the one. It's this. Thank you. Oh, sure, no problem. Oh, thank you.
We are free one minute.
No problem. All right, thank you. And you know what? I'm sorry. One more be paid for this. Okay. Because they're adding extra stuff and it's gonna be more.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sorry, what was that? Please send it, Judge.
You know what? This one there is a judge's warrant already issued, so we're good with him. I think his attorney was gonna try to get him to come in today. So that's why he's on the docket, but he did not appear.
What was the B page remaining?
Okay, and this one is night mag number 758-191. I need to write smaller because they're asking for a lot. All right, thank you so much.
You know, they're even giving them.
Ceasefire. Ceasefire. That's nothing to do with them firing. But that's the president.
I've heard that.
Go right in the fire. That's what you're saying.
I probably saw what you can. You seem kind of like. That's probably what I'm doing.
No. Hey, you. You check your email. Check your email next. That's it. Are you, out for the live check? They're activating the last. Yeah. Thank God I didn't.
You can't tell us.
Oh my gosh. I remember that.
15 minutes, drop sound that's gonna be opened up. A substation.
A lot, yeah. It's good. Oh, no.
Every other time you do. And she was. Oh, we're not here for that. Oh, really?
And if you could make sure those documents may remain together, because some of it is an email for their agreement.
Okay.
And you all will be ready for trial tomorrow, correct?
Yeah.
Jury selection.
Sure.
Daniel's just like, what?
I have to go with this.
You're just gonna go with the flow. See, I tell everybody it's all fluid.
I didn't hear the music.
No, I didn't either.
Well, I did that little thing, it's a little cartoon where it's a little dog sitting at the table or something, or a cat.
Mhm.
Drinking coffee, and there's fire in the back, it's like, everything was fine.
Everything's fine. Nothing to see here.
I like that.
I just watched Roger Rabbit, Who Framed Roger Rabbit.
You know, and at the time it was groundbreaking,
Yes.
you know, but, and then, I mean, still, it's pretty good.
Oh, it
still.
is.
You know, Judge, I was noticing this. Why is it the wrong time up there?
Oh, because our computer equipment is such that that's the way it is.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Because I noticed
Yeah, that computer over there is off.
I didn't
because-
even know the computer to be off like that.
Yeah, because this is their computer.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is odd.
Yeah. But there is a scene in Roger Rabbit I watched where Roger Rabbit is having a major breakdown because they're telling him that Jessica Rabbit has been playing patty cake with somebody else. And then he's like, not my Jessica. And then they have the photos and they're flipping through it and she's playing patty.
I didn't like that.
Yeah, I rewatched that and then I rewatched Rambo First Blood. I really think
The first one? Is that
Yeah, the first one.
Yeah.
that one, that was sort of Oscar worthy.
Yeah.
Just like, I'm gonna have to look into, just like Val Kilmer, he really should have got an Oscar for Doc Holliday.
Oh, gosh.
I mean,
Yeah.
he is the best.
Out of all.
Doc
the I've ever
Hollidays.
seen, That would, if you think of Doc Holliday, I think of that.
Yeah.
I mean, he just played it perfect.
If they were to put up a statue, if they want to put up a
Yeah.
statue for best dentist, they should put up Val Kilmer as
Yeah,
Doc
And
Holliday.
that's one of my favorite tombstones.
Yes.
It's just, I mean, you're right. And I mean, out of all those people that played in there, he played the best.
Oh, yeah. I will tell you the best portrayal of Doc Holliday I've seen. He's number one. And number two is from the original Star Trek, Day of the Gun,
Uh-huh.
where they got transported back in
Back
the, in the old West times, yes. And Doc Holliday, I know Val Kilmer say, no, I didn't watch that one, but that's how that Doc
That's how he
Holliday. Oh, yes. And that version, you should watch it. They go back in time and of course they're in their Star Trek uniforms, but people are seeing them in Western wear. And so Mr. Spock knows more about US history than Captain Kirk and everybody else.
Yeah.
And so he's telling everybody, you need to seat yourself very carefully and don't move a hand, because I think if you do, you're going to be involved in what is known as the quick draw. And so they went to Doc Holliday because they're saying, I need something to put them to sleep, because that
Yeah.
was their idea. We're going to give them some gas so they can go to sleep.
Yeah.
So they go to Doc Holliday's place and Captain Kirk and Bones goes to see Doc Holliday. He doesn't know it's the Doc Holliday because they don't know their history. And so he goes there, he's like, hey, I'm looking for this medicine. And then he tells the guy, we're not really, we're not the Clantons.
Yeah.
And so he said, I really need this. It's for an emergency. And Doc Holliday threw his bag at him and he's like, here, take my bag, take what you need. And he told him, your emergency show is real. But that was one of the best. And the other people who deserved probably an Oscar for best film, I'm telling you, Once Upon a Time in the West, that is one of the best.
It was on
Westerns.
HBO or something. I think it was something.
Mhm.
And I recorded it or something.
Oh, yeah, it's very good.
Yeah. No, I like the old ones.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess the last one that came out was Unforgiven, which I really.
Yeah.
Gene Hackman. 'Cause I like Gene Hackman, and I mean, now I just saw that he's retired pretty much after that.
Yeah.
But he was a good actor. I liked him.
Yeah.
When he got killed, I was like, he was bad, he was being posted, but it was like, I liked it because it was sort of more gritty,
Yeah.
you know, Western and not like the.
Oh, yeah.
You guys wait all the time.
Oh, yeah.
It didn't go too far.
Oh, yeah. But I love that. I loved Death Rides the Horse. I used to watch all the spaghetti
Yeah.
westerns. They were very good.
Uh,
But yeah. But I can't wait for Netflix. They're supposed to be coming out with, I think it's called Frosted or Unfrosted. Have you seen the advertisement for that?
no.
I think it's about Pop-Tarts. And so,
Oh my God, it's like all like Kellogg and Rice Krispies, they're all big meeting or something.
yes, and they're meeting and
Yes, I know.
Quaker Oats.
It's here.
Yes.
Okay, yes.
And the Quaker Oats man is sitting there with his hat and everything.
I'm like, what is this? I'm interested to see it because it seems sort of funny.
Oh, yeah, I saw the second trailer, and the second trailer host is about to, invent something sort of like Pop-Tarts.
Yes.
And
'Cause it's sort of
Kellogg's.
Like they, but like that was a little.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Kellogg is like, hey, we got to get on top of this. So the post won't come out on top. So I think it may be, I don't know if it's going to be like a documentary, but I think it's about Pop-Tarts.
Well, you ever watch, I deleted half my channels when I keep on going less and all my YouTube.
Mhm.
talks about that. We talk, we had a discussion about that, but I still get the one network that comes out with the food that built America.
Oh, I haven't seen that one.
It's a more of a documentary,
Mhm.
but it has reenacting and stuff, but it talks about like, it'll talk about posts, like
Mhm.
how it came about and how Kellogg came about, like,
Mhm.
all that stuff. And then it'll come up with like bread buns or the cheesesteak or something.
Yeah.
It'll go through all the ones and it's like, and it comes it up to the present. And it did the McDonald's and it did Wendy's.
Of the Earl of Sandwich.
Yeah.
I remember there was an episode of Little House on the Prairie
Mhm.
where Miss Olsen brought this person in because they were going to make their restaurant better.
Yeah.
And so the guy comes in and he says, we're just going to sell chicken. That's it, just fried chicken. And then it went bust and everybody's like, this will never work.
Yeah.
Then they fast forward and you see the church's chicken and everything.
Church chicken, like Popeye chicken, and freaking Kentucky Fried Chicken.
I'm still astounded that people buy bottled water. Who would have ever thought we'd be buying bottled water?
I was just thinking that the other day, or today actually,
Mhm.
because they were talking about the plastics on it, and I was like, when I was a kid, ice under the sink.
Yeah.
And now, like, you don't do that. Nobody drinks out of the faucet.
No.
That's just weird.
Oh, yes.
You drink out of the hose. At least you drink out of the hose. You have to let the hot get out.
Let it hot get out.
Yeah,
'cause
don't do it
it's-
right away.
don't-
Yeah.
Yeah.
Water in the grass.
Yeah. And then it used to be that hose water would be very cold.
No.
Yeah.
I think.
Oh,
I'm having.
He doesn't know what we're talking about. He's too young.
Well, I'm having a big problem with talking about hot, cold water. Is that, I was like, I got a new one, like maybe a year and a half ago. I was like, it was hot, but now it's not as hot. I was like, I'm having my, well, it's sort of like you, I'm having just my room and my bathroom do that right now.
Mhm.
But I was like, hey, keep your water, I could turn it up or something. I was like, I want it when I turn the shower off, there's steam.
Yeah.
I want steam.
Okay, you're like my mom.
Yeah.
She
I
likes
like
it hot.
I was like, just to go to, right before you go to bed, I like that, bam. I sleep like a bed, heat cell, but I was like, it hasn't been hot enough. And then for my little girl too, because she's like, it's not that hot. And for her, it's like her brand new skin.
Yeah, brand new skin and
Like,
she's.
brand new skin's not gonna, so she got mad at me. She said, but I still go and get her a wash around in the morning.
Mhm.
Put it warm,
And
give it to her, and then wipe her face and it's like, this is not cold, you're not hot enough. I'm like, I look at her like, well, they don't.
But no, that's not the way we do it, Dad.
Oh,
Well,
know.
I was making the decision on whether to have the drain that's the grate,
Oh, yeah.
because I think it looks so beautiful,
Oh, yeah, they're cool.
or either just the normal one.
Yeah.
And so the guy tells me, you don't want that because it gets so dirty and so clogged. And I'm trying to make everything as simple and,
That's what.
in the twilight of my life.
Yeah.
And so I'm like, but they have it at the hotel. How bad can it
That
be?
hotel gets changed out in 10 years.
Yeah, but they said, somebody posted, he's like, just look at the reviews. So I did the reviews. Yeah, the reviews are horrible. they're saying that it gets clogged a lot.
Okay.
And you know that grate, you have to lift it up and clean because I didn't realize it. It's like a trough.
Oh, yeah.
And then you just
Because
have
it
it-
goes down to one pipe though. Right?
Yes,
Yeah. It looks cool.
it does, but they're like, you gotta lift it and clean.
They had it, you know, in the gym over here, that, you know, the county gym.
Mhm.
But it's, they put, okay, first of all, they built, as soon as they built it, I was like, okay, cool. And as soon as I walked into the walk-in, I'm like, I really know about better. And then second thing is I took a shower there and I'm like, this is not gonna work. Just
No.
because they built it and like they put the tile and then they put the plastic of the shower on top of it. And I'm like,
What?
and it would just flow out.
Oh my gosh.
And I was like, okay, that's not gonna work. The drain, was I can't remember, I think it was square, which is fine,
Mhm.
but it was not screwed down. And it was like supposed to be that way, so you could remove it real easily.
Mhm.
And I'm like, you stepped on that, and it was like, come on.
Oh my gosh.
Like, y'all are asking for it.
Oh, yes.
And I was like, and what happened? They ended up having to tear it all out. And they put tile, and then I was like, they did a good, they put a little hump. And they
Yes.
tiled over, and it's like, and then it worked perfect now.
Yeah.
I was like, that was a big snap through, I mean.
Oh, and I'm sure it cost
Oh,
extra.
Okay, and then you put shower there, and that one shower, it was 6 months. Oh. And it was like the bigger shower, so it was like, you know, we could shower in there, and then now they have that little plaque, or not plaque, piece of paper that says, wear shower shoes for your protection. I was like, oh.
What is happening? Yeah.
Scary. I was like, what's going on in
Oh,
there?
Well, I will,
When you replaced it.
I forgot, I wanted to get those tank ones.
oh, I did too, but you know what they told
They
me?
told me, they go, unless you have gas, don't do it.
Well, you know what they told me we can do it, but you gotta make sure you put it where it's accessible in case it goes out. And then they said you need a water softener
Oh, yeah.
because of here. And I don't like the way water softener feels on the
I don't,
skin.
I got one because, you know, the problem with it is appliances and everything, it tears them out.
Mhm.
And I mean, this water here, I remember I went to Texas A&M, and I remember when I was a kid, you know, either psoriasis or whatever like that, I'd be itching all the time down here, even with the water softener. I go to A&M, they're like, you know, skin's all clean.
Oh, yeah.
Clean up because of the water. I
Mhm.
didn't know that, not everybody, but it irritates some people's skin. Water softener or just the water here. So I sort of grew out of it, I think, obviously, but it was just, it's comical, because I go up there and it'd be like nice.
Oh,
Because,
yeah.
because up there in conversation, it's all soft. I
Mhm.
mean, it's not, you don't have to get a soft, water softener, but here. Right.
Oh, yeah, I just hate the way
I
the
don't like it
softener feels.
slanky.
Yeah, it feels like it's never
You get used
coming
to it.
off.
I like my mom said, you get used to it. I do sort of get used to it, but I was like,
Yeah. So,
Why it wasn't heating.
not yet. I mean, I talked to my contractor today, and because I go, it was doing good, and I go, you know, it's not getting back, going back. You know, I just put it in like I want to say a year and a half ago, maybe.
see, I didn't know you put that in. Did you put it in yourself?
No.
Oh, okay.
I put mine in myself. If I had any issues.
Well,
Oh, my gosh.
4 years.
Good question.
Okay, you put in a water heater yourself? Oh, wow.
It took me all day, but I got it done and I haven't had any leaks. I haven't had any issues.
Oh, wow.
Because he wanted to charge me 400 to install it plus buying a new one. I thought I'm just gonna put that money towards getting a bigger one. Because there's too many of us using this and that's why it's not staying hot.
Oh, wow.
So I just got a bigger one.
Oh, awesome.
And then I just, those short attachment accessories, things. I'm gonna have a vision. I mean, I know to put this stuff around each area and so it won't leak, and then I put the sharp thing on, but I didn't have this thing, I didn't have that. So I made like 5 tricks that day because you installed that. I got it in.
Yeah, and it was less than 400.
And I put in my, you know, garbage
Disposal.
disposal, I put in, you know, like if I just got another dishwasher, I put that in.
Oh, wow.
Do it myself. I mean, I usually put in like ceiling fans. I let it all put in my ceiling fan. And if you look up online, that's cheap, $225 to install a ceiling fan. And you can put it on.
Oh, wow.
This is just, oh, it'll still work. That's not the point.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so I just take my time and I requires I just did this the other day. I messed up. My light's been out in my closet and I thought, I realized it was the switch on at the door.
Mm-hmm.
So I had to pull that out and I wanted to switch. But I hooked up a line to some of them were hardwired. So I didn't put them. And I added them all back in. Now when I turn on the light in the closet, the light goes out in my room.
Oh, my gosh.
I added a wire that didn't belong, and I know which one it is.
So are you gonna correct that or are you just gonna go with it?
I'm gonna have to correct it pretty soon because it's driving me crazy. It cuts everything off in the room, all the fans, anything in the room, the TV, everything. And then I turn on my, it's a pain, and you can hear my printer kick on every time.
Wow.
Can they do all the pieces on one server or does that have to be separate server?
Sometimes I have to turn the power off again and all that. It's-
They highly recommend us. Because of the image. So they.
They're putting all of them on same sort of a system there or has to be separate one? Okay, that's one. Mr. Cantrell, I need separate sort of appeals.
Sorry, what?
I need separate sort of appeals.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Okay,
I'm sorry.
no problem.
Sorry. We'll take.
Can you just copy these?
I can.
No.
Yeah, it has to be one for each separate one.
One case on spot. Just one dance last year, just. These like that.
Yeah, it's gonna be. Well, I think they'll both be. The Johnson doesn't come back to the. For office. Just kidding.
One more, no, no. Okay. Mhm.
No, no. It only matters for teaching. There's that. You're never going to contribute what you have. They don't. One-time contribution. Yeah, because that's. Yeah. Oh, you mean, so. Yeah. I want to be.
Let me pause it out.
Judge,
Yes.
I think I will see you.
All right, bye. All right, you guys have a good one. Have a good weekend. All right, are you all ready? So is this a plea on all cases except for the 2022-7610? And that's the,
Right, there's.
okay,
It's a plea on it and 2022 CR 7608.
I didn't pull that one, Judge. I apologize.
okay. All right, if you all are ready. Let me just pull the paperwork out. Excuse me, do you have the file stamp for a plea?
Um,
All right, court is calling 2022 CR 7606, 2022 CR 7607, 2022 CR 7609, and 2024 CR 2765. Could our parties announce for the record for the state
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
defense?
Anthony Cantrell for the defendant.
All right. And are you Mr. Villarreal?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, in each cause number, have you received all of the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
And each cause number, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Are there any applications?
No, Your Honor.
And each cause number, Mr. Villarreal, did you review what's entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney and did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And cause number ending in 7606, are you all proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Your Honor, we are waiving the habitual offender enhancement application.
Any
No
objection? And in cause number ending in 7607, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Your Honor, we're waiving the repeat offender enhancement application.
No objections.
And the cause number ending in 7609, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are on that one.
And in cause number ending in 2765, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Your Honor, we're waiving the enhancement application.
Any objection?
No objection.
Easier if I do it this way. All right, sorry about that. Mr. Villarreal, in each of the cause numbers, did you review the documents entitled court admonishments and defendants waivers and affidavit of admonitions with your attorney? Did you understand them?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the cause number ending in 7606, you're charged with evading arrest, detention with a vehicle. And the cause number ending in 7607, you're charged with felony in possession of a firearm. And in the cause number ending in 2765, you're charged with felon in possession of a firearm. Those are third-degree felonies. The range of punishment. Right, the range of punishment in those offenses is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And in the cause number ending in 7609, you're charged with unauthorized use of a vehicle. If the state is able to prove up the enhancement allegations, the range of punishment for that offense will be anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
And each cause number, if you have a plea bargain agreement, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering into these plea bargain agreements, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into pleas in each of these cause numbers?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Villarreal, in each of these cause numbers, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each cause number, according to the plea bargain agreement, punishments be assessed at a cap of 10 years in the prison. There are no applications. All of the cases are run concurrently, and the state will take in consideration 2022 CR 7608 and 2022 CR 7610. Did you understand that to be the pleas?
Ma'am.
Defense,
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
state.
Yes, Judge.
In each of the cause numbers, did you review the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
All right, then to the offenses charged in the cause number ending in 7606, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
And the cause number ending in 7607, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
And the cause number ending in 7609, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty, Your Honor.
And to the enhancement allegations, how do you plead? True or not true?
True.
And in cause number ending in 2765, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty, Your Honor.
State any evidence.
In each of the separate cases, the state would offer states exhibit, number one in all attachments.
No objections to all of those.
With regards to state's exhibits 1 and attachments, did you review that document with your attorney? And it's entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements, police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 in each cause number and review the same. In regards to the cause number ended in 7606, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. In regards to the cause number ending in 7607, court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. and the cause number ending in 7609. The court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. The court will find the enhancement true based upon your plea of true and based upon states exhibits 1 and attachments. In regards to the cause number ending in 2765, court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. All right, in regards to sentencing, do you need a PSI?
We do not, Your Honor.
All right, so would you wish to be sentenced today?
We would like that if possible.
All right, then the court will hear argument.
Your Honor, we're grateful for the state of Texas in reducing his enhancements and essentially capping the sentence of 10 years. We were very, very close to an agreement on our sentence. We were off a couple of years. We don't make light of what I'm asking, what the defendant is asking. We're asking for an 8-year sentence on the higher end of the cap. We think it's appropriate. My client wants to get back, take responsibility, which is what he has done today, but he also wants to get back to his life and also get back to his 15-year-old daughter that he had up until this time that was important. I know that you probably won't ask him something, but that's all I have at this time.
All right, is there anything you wish to say, Mr. Villarreal?
And again, I'm grateful for the giving me a second path. This is, got a problem with drugs. That's where I always mess up at, like, I was taking care of my daughter and all that. I still do, I talk to her on the phone. I'm good with the mother of my daughter. We're shooting together. I know when I start mixing with drugs, I'm trying to take responsibility for it. And like I said, I'm just this right now to be getting offered this right now. So, really need to take my responsibility for my actions. And I'm trying to get back out there with my daughter. Thank you.
So, Mr. Villarreal, I'm sure you've been in my court before, and I know you know that I see people as human beings. Sometimes human beings make bad choices. But, and I'm strongly considering, I know what your attorney is asking for, but when you look at your criminal history, it's not good. And your criminal history appears to just be a repeat of the same thing over and over. That's what the enhancement allegations are, same thing over and over. And then I understand that some of these cases happen on the same day, right?
4 of them.
Yes, but then you have another one that didn't happen on the same day.
Actually 5, I'm sorry.
Yes, no problem. Then you had, one that didn't happen on the same day. And at some point, you have to wake up and realize your life is in a state of chaos and you have to make changes. And I always tell people, if you are not going to change for yourself, then find somebody to change for. And usually I tell people, don't let it be a boyfriend or a girlfriend, because sometimes they're not going to be in your life that long, but change for your child. And where we are now is, I think the 10-year sentence that's being offered is appropriate. And I hope you understand why I feel that way. Okay. I'm going to follow the 10 years in each one, but I want you to know that if you have a drug problem, if you have an alcohol problem, there's help for you. And if you get out of prison and you can't find the free places, you can always come back to court. If I'm here, I always tell people, if I'm here, if God willing and the creek don't rise, I will be sure to give you information to get you where you need to be the person that you're supposed to be.
Yeah.
All right, so this is what I'm going to do. And 2024 CR 2765. I'm going to sentence you to 10 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. This is to run concurrent with the following cause numbers: 2022 CR 7606, 2022 CR 7607, 2022 CR 7609. Going to take in consideration 2022 CR 7608, 2022 CR 7610. And the cause number ending in 7606. I'm going to follow your agreement. And sentence you to 10 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2022 CR 7606, 2022 CR 7607, 2024 CR 2765, taking consideration 2022 CR 7608 and 2022 CR 7610. And the cause number ending in 7607. Court will follow your agreement. Court will sentence you to 10 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2022 CR 7606, 2024 CR 2765, 2022 CR 7609, taking consideration 2022 CR 7608 and 2022 CR 7610. And the cause number ending in 7609. I'm sorry. What was the last number I called out, please?
7610.
Zero.
No, I mean the cause number that he's pled to.
Oh. 7607.
Ah, thank you. All right, then in the cause number ending in 7609. Just one moment, off the record. So that the record can be clear, in 7606, the case number that is running concurrent is going to be 2022 CR 7607, 2022 CR 7609, and 2024 CR 2765. All right, now we are on 2022 CR 7609, is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay, there are a lot of cause numbers here. Oh. And the cause number ending in 7609. The court will follow your agreement. Court will sentence you to 10 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. Take in consideration 2022 CR 7608, 2022 CR 7610. This will run concurrent with 2022 CR 7606, 2022 CR 7607, and 2024 CR 2765. Is there anything else with regards for sentencing from either side?
No, Your Honor.
And each of the cause numbers, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, because these are plea bargain agreements, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. So who is your daughter staying with?
With the mom right now, Janelle Ramos.
All right, so here's the thing. When you get out of prison, you can't act as though you're in charge with your child because you will have been gone. Do not go to prison and become institutionalized. And whenever you see yourself slipping or backsliding, that's when you pick up the phone and call a sponsor or somebody. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome.